So next topic is process design of pump, right? So in process design of pump, generally we calculate power, right? Power required or power required by pump to create certain head. All right, power required to create certain head. All right, so generally power to the pump is given by P is equal to power to pump. Let me write here power input to pump. Right? Power input to pump is given by P is equal to right, rho multiply by QV multiply by H divided by 3.67 multiply by 10 raised to 5, right, multiply by eta, right, multiply by eta, right? Yeah, where P is equal to power at input at in किलो watt. ठीक है, रो is equal to density of fluid in kg per meter cube, right? Q V is equal to capacity or volumetric flow rate of fluid, right? Capacity meter cube per hour, right? H is equal to total dynamic do not mark your attendance. This lecture is continue. Right? Total dynamic head, right, in meter, right, and eta is eta is efficiency of pump, right? So in process design of pump, we need to calculate power required, right, to achieve total dynamic head or to create certain head. All right. So this given by equation P is equal to rho QVH divided by 3.67 multiplied by 10 raised to 5 into eta, right? So in that density of fluid, again, this is known, capacity again known, efficiency of pump, right? That is provided by pump manufacturer. ये पंप मैन्युफैक्चरर प्रोवाइड करता है कि मेरी पंप की एफिशिएंसी कितनी है, right? So we need to calculate what is the total dynamic head. Total dynamic head कितना है, ठीक है? तो अगर हमें ये कैलकुलेट करते हैं टोटल डायनामिक हेड, देन इस इक्वेशन से हम पावर कितना हम इनपुट करना चाहिए वो हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द टोटल डायनामिक हेड. सो बिफोर दैट total, let's write total dynamic head at H, total dynamic head, right? That is H is equal to total discharge head, total discharge head right, it is given by HD minus total suction head, total suction head. This is nothing but H suction, and H suction, right? Yeah. Now there are many terms, right? Let's say I write down the terms. What is first static head? What do you mean static head? Right? Then we have static discharge head, right? This is static head, right? Now what is the static head? Must be in both suction side as well as the discharge side. All right. For example, if we have let's say we have this pump. For example, here we have a reservoir. यहाँ पे मेरा रिजर्वर है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, और यानी टैंक है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? सो इट इज फिल्ड अप विथ सम लिक्विड, ऑलराइट? और यहाँ पे मेरा पंप है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, समवेयर हियर आई हैव पंप, ठीक है? आई हैव पंप, ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे मेरा पंप है, ठीक है? नाउ लेट्स से दिस इज द डिस्चार्ज लाइन, ये मेरी डिस्चार्ज लाइन है, और समवेयर हियर लेट्स से दिस इज फॉर एग्जांपल मेरा आउटलेट है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे मेरा आउटलेट है, ठीक है। नाउ हियर देयर आर सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ हेड, okay? First is static head, static head. Then we have pressure head, pressure head, then static head, then pressure head. All right, and we also have pipe, pipe and fitting friction losses, friction losses. Suppose this is the, यहाँ पे फॉर एग्जांपल मेरा कोई लिक्विड का लेवल है, सो इफ आई ड्रॉ दियर to this point, then it is called as a static suction head. This is called as a static and suction, static suction head. This length from the reservoir to central line pump. Okay, let's say here we have some pressure, right? Let's say this is a ATM pressure. This is the atmospheric pressure. All right, and and there is a friction loss in this pipe. So here we have a losses, friction losses. All right, right. So यहाँ पे मेरा डिस्चार्ज लाइन है, ठीक है। सो दिस हाइट, विच हाइट, दिस लेंथ, to this central line of pump is called as a discharge, static discharge head, static discharge head, right? हाँ, ये पाइपलाइन और ये रिजर्वर से यहाँ तक, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ स्टैटिक डिस्चार्ज हेड। ये सक्शन, स्टैटिक सक्शन हेड है और ये स्टैटिक डिस्चार्ज हेड है, राइट। सो ठीक है, सो यहां तक हम करते हैं, फिर हम विल सी इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, ठीक है। वन मिनट, अभी कोई लेफ्ट मत होना, आई एम टेकिंग अटेंडेंस।